Hi, I'm Adita, a BTech student from Woxsen University. I had a chance to use Woxsen Crypto Exchange as a learner, and it completely changed my view on finance and technology. This made me understand how real-world data demands and reputation can change the token price, the concept that I've studied only on articles. This platform made my learning very engaging than making it more theoretical. I feel I'm more prepared for my future roles in finance, fintech, business, and strategy. I would like to thank AI Research Center and Woxsen Universities and all the engineers who've been part of Woxsen's Crypto Exchange.
Being a part of the Woxsen Crypto Exchange program has been an eye-opening experience for me. Before this, I had only read articles about blockchain and cryptocurrencies, but I had never thought that I would actually get to experience a real-life simulation using academic tokens based on blockchain. So this has been an awe-inspiring experience for me, and I'm incredibly grateful for AI Research Center and Woxsen University for, giving me this opportunity on this hands-on practical lab.
I'm Samir, a senior blockchain engineer, AI Research Center at Woxsen University, and I'm proud to be introduced our groundbreaking initiative, the Woxsen Crypto Exchange. WCE is a decentralized trading platform designed for business students, engineers, faculties, and staff to experience the dynamics of the crypto trading, token economics, decentralized finance, all within the safe academic environment. Here is how it works. Each academic department is assigned a unique ERC20 tokens, and we trade them with the Wox tokens. Tokens value is changed based on the user trade. But also we provide the data like academic performance, innovation to help them which tokens to buy. Just like investors look at the company performance before buying the any stocks. This isn't just a simulation, it's hands-on real-time model that fuses academic achievement with real-time market forces. Students learn to analyze performance, collaborate, negotiate, and build portfolios while learning the blockchain tools. While gaining the experience with the blockchain tools, smart contracts, and fundamentals of financial thinking in the Web3 era of blockchain. Our project is also aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, particularly in the quality education, decent work, and economic growth, making WCE not just a learning platform but value-driven ecosystem. At Woxsen, we believe learning should be hands-on and tech-driven. Thank you very much.